Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can copy the link of your profile on Facebook. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to copy the link of your profile on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to go to menu. And here on the menu, I want you to tap your profile right here. And after that, you will now be on your Facebook profile. So to copy the link of your Facebook profile, just tap this 3 dots beside the edit profile option. And after tapping it, just scroll down and then you will now be able to see the link of your Facebook profile right here. So just tap the copy link button. And then the link for your Facebook profile will now be copied. You can now paste or share it wherever you want. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.